In a textbook or classroom setting, we pretty much always know what a firm's demand curve looks like. But in the real world, that's not necessarily the case. A firm might well know how much it could expect to sell if it keeps its current price, and it would know that it could expect to increase the amount it would sell if it lowered its price, or conversely decrease the amount it would sell if it raised its price. But it's typically not going to know for all possible prices exactly how much it would sell. In order to try and figure this out, firms have developed different methods to try and figure out exactly what it is their demand curve looks like. They could exploit the fact that they can sell in different markets, for example. At different locations, they could charge different prices. We see this pretty commonly with big firms like Walmart, say, or Target, where they might charge different prices in different markets. And one of the advantages they have from that is an ability to figure out what the demand curve for particular products looks like, so that then they can use that eventually to try to find a price that's going to be the best for them, that's going to maximize profit, presumably. Similarly, we could change our price over time and look at how much we sell at different points in time related to those various prices, and in that way try and figure out what the relationship is between price and quantity demanded for us, our firm-specific demand curve. We could also run sort of experiments, run some non-market experiments. Economists tend to prefer these sorts of ideas because there we're actually dealing with real consumer behavior. But there might be some circumstances in which those are difficult to perform, in which case doing some sort of experiment where we maybe pull a bunch of our potential customers in and try and figure out, depending on the price, whether they would like to buy a product or not, that can be helpful for trying to figure out what our demand curve looks like also.